It's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. You want something that is bold, not only in its looks, but also in its attitude. Something always up for fun and built to go places. The Highlander, built just for you. It's well equipped with the features you need. Automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, in-tune, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com notes that tossing out minivans and V8-powered toy box hauling behemoths, the Highlander is likely the sweet spot for most. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.